Reporting live from our apartment in Rehoboth Beach. The countdown is officially on. We're deep cleaning. We're getting the heck out of here, moving into the bus. And what are we going to do, Matt?
We're going to go to the gym parking lot. We're going to shower at the gym.
And then after that, we're going to be working our way towards Boston, where we're going to drop off our bus. And then we're starting our walk across America.
We just about have everything cleaned up. We are now going to take all of our donations over to the local thrift store. And then all we have left is... what do we have left? Mop the floors?
Mop the floors.
What up, Mimo?
Everything's not back in the bus yet, but I have to say I am impressed with the way things are fitting in here. And finally, we have a fridge. And it's time to get rid of all this. We'll put a little beep in there.
Word.
Hello.
Hello. Good luck on your traveling.
Thank you.
Need anything?
What's that now?
Do you need anything for your trips or anything?
I think we're good.
You're good?
I think we're mainly trying to slim down on ourselves.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
Doing our best to remain calm, cool, and collected back in the bus. We haven't been in the bus with it jam-packed full in, well, 6 months. So we are now going to test it out, see what happens as we go for this roundabout. Will everything stay as it's supposed to? Whoa, why are you zooming in? Zoom back out. Can we do it and can we stay? Or will all our stuff fly away, fly away? We're heading to go donate these cans to a can donation
I
spot.
hope I can get going here soon. Oh.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, boy.
Take it away.
Come on now. Woo, woo.
Let's see, is it all gonna stay? Is it all gonna stay? Oh.
Testing it. Timmy feels heavy. Hey.
Oh.
Hey, got it. What happened?
We almost lost the lid.
We got room?
There's Trader Joe's cheese puffs in here.
There's what? Oh, dang. This thing broke here, so we're going to go ahead into Walmart, get ourselves a new curtain, and then we'll pretty much be completely sealed here. Grace is putting the front on. We'll put a blanket there, and then we should be able to have a nice little night's sleeping, huh, Nemo?
The gym is 24/7 and we are members, so we're just kind of, and there's no sign saying no overnight parking or anything, so
This seems like it'd be fine.
we're just going to park here. I mean, worst case if they're knock, I'll say, would you like to see my gym membership? I'm about to go work out.
Might have just stumbled upon a great deal, might have not. $7.87, little different than our first one.
It says you just need the hardware. I think we have the hardware except for the fact that it's different than our first one, but worst case, we'll just return it.
Hey, monkey. The question is bumping, is that gonna... Gosh, I mean...
Be cool if we could get it to work. That's high quality. We may have just made this $7 magic happen. Oh, dang. You want a little sunlight but also want some privacy? No problem.
You want it all the way up? Oh.
Oh, dang. What? Oh my gosh. I didn't realize how bad this sweatshirt really shows my tatas until I was walking out. I was like, oh my gosh. We were just laying in bed trying to fall asleep. Matt already went into Walmart once and got new bungee cords to tie our tarp down better, because when it rains we have to put a tarp on because our roof leaks. And we were laying there and we were like, oh, just relax, it's gonna be fine, you know, it's just a little bit windy. Whole thing, every single thing ripped off, flew off. So we're gonna go into Walmart and get a more heavy duty tarp, and then we're gonna change spots and go to the Cracker Barrel, because we're thinking then we're parked sideways and maybe more behind a building, so the wind might not be as much, but it's gonna be about, I think we've got 50-mile-per-hour winds coming in, so see what happens.
So you want to get the same size?
Yeah, and just see how it goes. Do you feel confident in your decision?
That remains to be seen. From the infamous, the wonderful Cracker Barrel.
We slept good last night.
We slept really good last night. I'm actually about to grab myself a little naked juice out of this fridge right here. Can I grab one of those? I'm gonna grab one of those. Cracker Barrel, thank you so much for your service.
Alright, y'all, we are at the park in Rehoboth Beach. We were gonna drive to New Jersey today, but we just ended up having a lot of things to do, so we don't feel like driving through crazy traffic and stuff. Plus, we're not really in any rush. It's just to sleep at more Cracker Barrels. So we're in town. We have this good water, so we're gonna fill up our water bottles, and then we're gonna fill this up with water here at the park so we can wash dishes. I know, Mikey. Oh shoot, sorry. Thank you for that.
Stay. I know. The time has come to empty the bathroom into the park. Stay, Nemo. Stay. Change that look on your face. I'm gonna get this door for you. Alright, good work. Excellent.
Thank you.
Yep.
Handled.
We found a couple of water faucets that are unlocked, so I'm not sure if it's frowned upon. It wasn't on the rules, so we're just gonna fill this baby up, have some dishwashing water, and then we'll just have to dump our trash somewhere.
We got another magnet to add to the wall, y'all.
Woohoo!
We're gonna do West Delaware.
Today we are heading into Connecticut. We heard there's a casino there that'll let you stay up to 7 days with Wi-Fi, and we might
free.
We might play our luck.
Yesterday it was also got up to like 80 degrees, and today it's now 50 and cold. And I have a feeling that this is gonna be how most of our travels going on through the East Coast is gonna be. So buckle up. We've got a wild weather ride. New York City, here we come. Let's party. All right, we're employing the microphone for this one because it gets a little bit loud here in the bus. But as we're driving and we just passed under the New York City sign, we're starting to realize, holy shizballs, things are about to get legit, which is exciting because up until this point we have been feeling like we haven't really been feeling anything yet, and we weren't sure if we were going to start to feel anything. So it's fun to start to feel these like crazy nerves before a big adventure because this is going to be totally epic. Sometimes you're just sitting in a parking lot eating your buffalo dip, letting the stress of the city release off your body. Oh. Made it through the busiest sections. Now it's time to get some laundry done. High five, Mikey. High five. Mikey, high five. We are on our way to the Mohegan Sun Casino, which the reviews are fantastic, and there is apparently a rumor that we can stay for free for up to 7 days, but there also is a weird little thing that says permanently closed. So, and not the casino, just the RV parking spot. But then I had read something else that said if it was permanently closed, that you could park in a different parking lot. So we're just gonna drive and see what happens. We don't have a backup lined up because we're thinking this one's gonna be okay.
Easy enough, everybody, at Mohegan Sun Casino. Now
They're so nice.
Very nice. Haven't checked it out. This thing looks like it's a whole little city within itself.
Some of the reviews said it was like Vegas.
Security guy came over, signed us up, just registration, license plate. You can do up to 7 days. They need to know specifics, but they also said you can extend later on. So we did 4 days.
It's also only a Wednesday, and it is getting pretty busy, and it's 4:10 right now. So I could see how in the summer months and on the weekends how it gets super crowded, and the parking lot is kind of wavy almost. So you can find spots that are flatter, but there are spots where if you got stuck there, then you'd be in a bit of a pickle. Today we are feeling spicy. We're feeling a little bit gross. We have to go to the bathroom. We need to wash our dishes. So it's time for us to drive to the Stop and Shop and see what kind of magic we can make happen in the parking lot.
We need these washed. We can't wash them here. 1, because our sink's drained. 2, our water pump is not working. 3, you can't drain stuff onto the ground here. We don't have a gray water tank. We need to get rid of this trash somewhere, and we need to fill up those water bottles right there.
And we need to use the restroom.